What do you do if the other driver doesn't have enough insurance or doesn't have insurance at all? First, I'm sorry anybody has to go through this. People should be responsible enough to carry enough insurance to pay for their mistakes. Unfortunately, in the world we live in, not everybody does. Well, one thing I try to do when I find out that the other driver doesn't have enough insurance is I look everywhere I can. I try and find out if he's on the job for anybody. Is he working for somebody? If he is working, if he's driving a company truck or a company car, or if he's just on the job, his employer or his employer's insurance may be responsible for the accident and for your injuries. If he's driving somebody else's car, the owner of his car may have insurance coverage that would stack on top of his, or maybe it would be greater than his. In either way, you're in a better place if you can find it. A lot of the time I'll ask if the other driver or the other owner has what's called umbrella or excess coverage. This can provide as much as $2 million in additional coverage beyond what's on their auto policies. Not everybody has it. In fact, I'm finding that not that many people have it. But it's still a question that should be asked. And you won't find out unless you ask the question. The other important thing about uninsured or underinsured drivers, you may have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage stands in the place of the other driver's insurance. The only difference is, instead of making a claim against the other driver's insurance company, you make the claim against your own insurance company. It's easy enough for me to find that out as your lawyer. All you have to do is bring your declarations page into my office, and I can look at it, and I can tell you whether you've got the coverage. There are other places you can find coverage. Workers' compensation, maybe Social Security, maybe Medicaid, maybe Medicare. Each of these things is something that should be explored. I've been able to find additional coverage for a lot of my clients, and I've been able to do it by looking and asking questions. I'm proud of the fact that I was able to do it.